In this video, we're going to show you every single 4Runner at Overland Expo Mountain West. Let's get to it. Hey everybody, Isaac here, checking in from Team 4Runner, and today we're at Overland Expo Mountain West, and although a bit hot, a bit sticky, a little bit tired, we're gonna walk around and check out every single 4Runner, first gen, second gen, third gen, fourth gen, fifth gen, and show you guys all the 4Runners of Overland Expo Mountain West. Let's get to it. All right, here's the first one. 5th gen silver. I would say my favorite thing about this build is the old FJ Cruiser wheels. Nice, clean, simple Overland 5th gen. All right, let's keep going. All right, on to number 2. I spy a 4th gen here. There's always something unique about a 4th gen because you just don't see a ton of them. Here we go, 3rd 4Runner spotted at Overland Expo. Another 4th gen, Sherpa Motorsports. Racing 4Runner build. We did a walk around on this truck just a few weeks ago. So make sure you go check that out, but God, this thing is sick. Yeah, it's a 4th gen 4Runner. Wow, 3 4th gens in a row. Look at that. Clean C4 front, Prinzu rack. Love the 360 awning. Clean build. So there's kind of a 5th gen tucked back in here. Let's see if we can sneak back here and check it out. Towing a little off-road trailer, timbered axle with suspension, Sherpa rack, black rhinos, same wheels on the Firestone truck. Clean setup. Probably a quarter of the way through the show already, walking through the show, and only like 4 or 5 4Runners, so I'm expecting to see a bunch more, but so far not near as many as I thought. Safe to say 6th gen is long awaited. All right, let's get back to it. Here we go, another 5th gen spotted here. Always a classic, always good to see. The Runnin' for Tacos, iconic 5th gen 4Runner build here. And something to note again, the new hefty high clearance front. All Baja designed out, really clean. Extremely high clearance, impressive approach. But always a fun vehicle to see at these events. Heck yeah. All right, everybody, make sure you are sitting down for this one. We are coming across the Mountain Yoda's 3rd gen 4Runner build. Or in the process of building. This thing is massive and fun to see in person. Sherpa rack, True North fabrications, armor. You know, the whole thing is front axle swapped. Sitting in the Mountain Yodas and Free Spirit booth. Man, super cool to see in person. Unbelievable truck. And then if we just backtrack here just a little bit, we have got 5th gen 4Runner here, another one. Backwoods front bumper. Fun to see that in person. This thing's also a beast, 35s. Good looking truck. Heck yeah. All right, keep on trucking. Here we go, poking out the back, another white 5th gen. Big fender flares on this, fridge drop down. Kind of some clean rock sliders there. Another front low pro bumper, that one's from Iron Man. Iron Man tent as well. So basically all Iron Man'd out. Must be a Iron Man rear as well. Good looking little setup. Heck yeah. So we have another 5th gen, hidden winch mount. Always love that. Heck yeah. Some nice coloring on those stripes. Sweet. Here we go, front facing. The main aisle here in the Nitto Tires booth. Another white 5th gen TRD off-road. CBI front bumper, Relation race wheels. Prinzu rack with that custom fairing. Missing a winch, but hey, good looking truck, nice build, clean. You can tell it gets used, which is always a positive in my eyes. Here we go, the 4Runner Lifestyle guys are here with one of their 5th gen builds. Max Trax rack on the hood. Saw this one at West. Probably seen it on the gram. Heck of a truck. Just about everything you can is bolted onto it. The first solar octane I've come across. This is the TRD Pro color for 2023. This thing is fully Rhino racked equipped in the Rhino Rack booth here. Personally a huge fan of this color. Fun seeing it in person with, a little bit of outfitting going on. Heck yeah. Right at the entrance of Overland Expo, we have got the 40th anniversary 4Runner that was launched last year, celebrating 40 years of 4Runner, based off the SR5 Premium grade. And just right around the corner from the 40th anniversary, checking out another white 5th gen. That probably wins color of Overland Expo as far as most common goes. Big tent off the back, Yakima on top, TRD wheels and some ATs, and kind of a cool snorkel here. Airade. Good looking truck, good looking snorkel. It wouldn't be right if we didn't swing by the Toyota booth and check out the 6th generation 4Runner. Just kidding, but the all new 1st edition Land Cruiser's here. Let's quick check that out. In all its glory, 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser 1st edition. We did a walk around of this truck with Andrew, let's see, yesterday. I think I've swung by every single day so far just to take a peek at it. Needless to say, I know it's not 6th generation 4Runner, but looking at the new Land Cruiser makes me excited. The direction Toyota is going, I can't wait to see what they have planned and in mind for this new 4Runner for all of us. It's gonna be super cool. I don't know if we'll see it next year at the show. Maybe it's gonna, have to wait 2 years, we'll see. But it's gonna be cool seeing that truck around this show in the coming years. Land Cruiser too, of course, but being a 4Runner channel, I can't help but say, it's just gonna be cool seeing a 6th gen. So, flip the camera, we'll keep on going. Here we go, parked in the grass back here with a big iCamper setup. Ice cold fridge. Yet another white 5th gen 4Runner, TRD off-road. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh man, how dare I. Saw the black valances messed up. TRD Pro. Can't go wrong. Let me know in the comments how many steps you think I have put in the making of this video. Just about missed it, but another white 5th gen TRD Pro with a color matched front bumper, which you don't see near enough. Prinzu rack. Another good looking truck. Oh man, might as well just keep it rolling here. Army green, TRD off-road. Probably one of my favorite Pro colors turned off-road color, and just the color Toyota offers. It's gotta be Army green, same color as our Tundra. Another simple, clean truck, platform rack, ATs, some RSG sliders, it looks like. Can't go wrong there. It's a Pui tent, now known as Thule. So this is kind of way back here, but good to get off the concrete and walk on the grass a little bit. So we're gonna keep on going here. Definitely more and more 4Runners throughout the event as you get deeper into it. And primarily 5th gens. I have yet to see a 1st, 2nd, let's see, I have seen a 3rd, have seen a 4th. So 1st and 2nd gen have not seen yet. And I don't think I've missed any. If I have, please let us know. If we're gonna show the new Land Cruiser, it's only right to also show the GX 550 hanging out in the Lexus booth. I would love to get your thoughts also in the comments. Which one would you choose, GX550 or a Land Cruiser? Let me know. Made a full circle with the Mountain Yoda's 3rd gen.
I'm set.
Coming back down the last row, Overland Expo, Yoda Lex 4th gen in the Next Gen tire booth. One of the cleanest, better built, probably trucks here in Colorado. Big, meaty Next Gen tires. Properly built truck, RSG slides. Fully clearanced for full tuck. Heck of a truck. And another 4th gen, which is cool to see. Switch over here, and we got the CBI booth. CBI's been around in the 4Runner game for so long. Got to check out their 5th gen TRD Pro 4Runner build here, rocking all their products, except for rear, it looks like. CBI slides, CBI front covert, Prinzu rack, Free Spirit tent, all new Peak suspension they're running on this truck, and also their rear window Molly panel there. They always do good work. Always fun to see CBI at these shows. Here we go. This might be the last one we come across. Hanging out here. Intrepid camp gear tent. Unique tent design. You don't see that very often. CBI rear. Also CBI built truck for the most part. Ooh, a little bit of hail there. Classic Colorado there. Prinzu rack. Flexed out on a little rock. Good looking truck. Sweet. I was mistaken. Last but not least, Urban Motors 5th gen. Yes, another white one. But again, you can't go wrong. So there you have it. Heck of a truck. Urban Motors does sick work here in Denver, Colorado area. So there we go. Overland Expo. And that is every single 4Runner at Overland Expo Mountain West. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for staying tuned, and we'll see you guys next time.